Hey y'all, I got a cutie for you. I'm going to show you how I do my FunFetti's cupcakes. Oh yeah, and using some jimmies. Oh yeah, you got to stay tuned for this cutie. And I put it in a decorative glass. Oh yeah. All right, meet me over at my sink, y'all. Okay, I've got my green bowl here. I have my box white cake mix, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I always buy the Duncan Hine. Like I say, this is going to be quick and easy. This is for both my granddaughters are graduating. They're having their open house. So I'm going to be making tons and tons of different cupcakes. So the first cupcake, I'm going to be making. It's going to be called the FunFetti cake, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do it with this box cake. All right, so I'm going to empty that into my green bowl, my trusty green bowl. And now everything is going to be mixed in at one time. I'm going to go ahead and I've got 3 egg whites. Now that comes out to, and I'm doing the liquid egg whites. So that measured out to 1/3 cup. I also have my flavoring on the inside, and I decided I'm going to flavor these fun fetti cakes with cupcakes with Pina Colada. That's going to be the flavoring, okay? So I have that in my egg whites. So I'm just going to pour that all in there as well. You can also just crack some eggs and get your egg whites from there. But I always have egg whites on hand. So for a lot of different things that I be doing in my kitchen. Also, I have 1 cup of milk. You can use 1 cup of water, but I like to use the milk for a much richer taste in my box cake batters. All right, pour that in there. All right, get all of that goodness in there. There we go. So, I got my 3 main ingredients in here. Oh, nope, not 3. The third one is a 1/2 cup of oil. I use the canola. You use whatever you like, okay? This is a 1/2 cup of canola oil. Now I have all 3 of my ingredients, plus my Pina Colada flavoring. All that in there. I'm not going to use my stand mixer. I'm just going to go ahead. Let me grab my spatula here. I'm just going to go ahead and just mix everything. Oh my goodness. Now where is my... Oh my. I tell you, when you're looking for stuff, what did I do? Okay, it's somewhere around here. But anyway, all right. Okay, so I'm just going to use my hand mixer, okay? I'm going to start it on low, and I'm just going to go around. That's what I like to do. I like to just take my my hand mixer and rotate my bowl as I'm going around, so that way I make sure that I get all the batter on the sides as well as in the middle. Now do this for about up to no more than about a couple of minutes, okay? You don't need to overbeat your batter. You just want to get it good and everything mixed in, okay? Just like so. This is a fun cake. A lot of young people, they just love these I call them FunFetti cakes, yeah. That's what I call them. FunFettis, yeah. Okay. There we go. And I love the smell of Pina Colada. Now, whatever flavoring you like to use it. Let it be a fun, a yummy flavor that you use, okay? As I like to say, do some things outside of the box. You know, be creative with the cake mix box. Yeah, be very creative. Okay, so this is it. This is it. My batter is looking good. Now the next thing I'm going to do, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my Well, I'm just going to use this spatula here. And I'm just going to go around and make sure that I'm hitting the bottom of my green bowl because I don't want any, the cake flour or the batter to be sticking to the bottom, okay? I want a very, very smooth batter. Just like so. So quick and easy, y'all. I think this is going to be a quickie. You don't always say I'm going to do a quickie, but I think this just may be a quickie. Okay, now, I already got that stirred up pretty doggone good. Let me take these beaters off here. Put them over in my little bucket there. Now, for the, to make the FunFetti, you have to use jimmies, okay? Go to, go to your cake craft store, and you gotta get, it has to say jimmies on the bottle. You can't just use any type of sprinkles to put in to make your FunFetti cake, because if you do, if it's not jimmies, what's going to happen is your whatever sprinkles that you use, that you put on top of the cake as well, is on top of your cupcakes as well, it's going to discolor your batter on the inside, okay? So you don't want that to happen. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you the container that I'm talking about. Now, I got this at my craft store. Can you see this here? These are jimmies, and it has to say jimmies on the container, okay? And I'm also going to sprinkle some of these jimmies on top of my frosting as well. Okay, all right. Now, we've already got my batter beaten up pretty good with all the other ingredients that I put in there. The last thing that you want to put in, remember this, the last thing is your jimmies. Now, this is a 1/3 cup. You can use any cup, a 1/4 cup to a 1/3 cup. I'm using a 1/3 cup, okay, of jimmies. And I'm just going to sprinkle those into my batter, just like so. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold. Where in the world is my other, oh, here it is. Well, I tell you, when you go to looking for stuff, yeah. Okay, I like this one better because it's wider and it folds in a lot of whatever I'm doing. If I have to fold something in, it really does very, very well. Okay, all right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to fold this in, just like so. I'm going under and over, okay? Just like so, under and over. I'm not going to stir it and beat it. I'm just folding it in. And like I said, you want to do this at the end. Okay. And I'm rotating my bowl back the opposite way. There we go. So that's it. That's it. If you keep doing it, what's going to happen is you're going to cause your jimmies, the colors, to kind of like spread. And then you're going to have, you're going to have discolor. So just fold them in. All right? Okay. Well, listen, I will be right back, and I'm going to set up my makeshift counter, and I'm going to go to scooping, okay? Oh, and my oven has already been preset for 350, okay? Be right back. Okay, I got my makeshift counter already set up, and I have the cupcake pan that holds 24 cupcakes, okay? Yeah, I was in business at one time. I had a little pastry shop, and I had it for about 15 years. So I did a lot of different catering events, a lot of weddings. I did a combination of a lot of things. So a lot of my baking containers and pans and scoops. A lot of my stuff I kept because I'm still in the business, but I still love what I do, okay? So, but yeah, if you ever run across one of these here, most likely at a commercial equipment place, restaurant store, pick one up. It's really, really good. If you do a lot of cupcakes, if you don't, just use your standard. Okay, so now this scoop here is, this is what I'm going to be using, okay? This is a number 20 scoop. So I'm just going to go in, and it's perfect for placing batter in your cupcakes. Now, what in your cupcake containers. Now, what I'm going to do is simply, I'm just showing you what I'm doing right now. I'm not going to hold you guys while I'm filling all 24 of these here, but I will be back. I just want you to see this here. Oh yeah, before I forget, thank you so much for liking, for sharing, and subscribing. Hey, new subscribers, welcome to the family. And the hypes, please please continue to give me those hypes. You know, that gets my Loving Some Good Eats Y'all's channel out there so others can see and yeah, and enjoy what I do. I thank you, each and every one of you. And I will be back soon as I finish filling up these cupcake holders, okay? Alrighty. Okay, I have filled up my cupcake holders. Can you see that? Alrighty. Okay, so this will go in a 350-degree oven for, about 20 minutes. I'll check and see what it looks like, but at least 20 minutes, okay? And I'll be back. Okay, just took out my FunFetti cupcakes out of the oven, and it took exactly 20 or 21 minutes, okay? About 21 minutes. Can you see that? Okay, all right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these out of the cupcake pan, and I'm going to just let them sit on a rack and cool down, okay? And I'll be back, and I'm just going to ice one. I think they won't miss just one. And I'm going to decorate that, and yeah, we'll enjoy that yummy together. I'll cut it open, and you can see the inside of it. Yeah. Okay. Be back. Hang in there with me. Okay, y'all. You know what? Another blooper. I thought I had my camera rolling, and evidently I'm just talking and carried on, and I ain't got nothing rolling. Okay, but anyway, this here is the finishing touches on my FunFetti cake. Can you see that? And I topped it with some more jimmies. All right. Now this is a cutie doll. This is another little idea of something that you may want to do. These are just two of the colors that will be decorated. The open house will be decorated in. They've got gold and black too as well. But I just went ahead and just got some purple and white little frillies, and I'm just going to sit it on my, this is actually, you could use this glass here as a tea glass, or maybe a little special glass that you want to use for maybe something to drink, you know. But isn't that cute? See that? That's just another little idea that you can do too as well. All right. Okay. Now, what we've been waiting on, I'm going to cut this open and let you see. Okay. All righty. Lower you down there just a little bit. Let me get my little saucer here, because all I need is just a little saucer right here. Okay. Set this over to the side, and I'm going to just take the wrapper down a little bit off of this yummy. I should say this cutie. It is a cutie. Yes, it is. It's a cutie. And it's a yummy too as well. Okay, let me just discard that. Maybe you can see that a little bit better. Can you see that? All righty. Okay, we're going to cut this baby. Oh, you know what? Let me let you see the side of it too. Can you kind of see the little jimmies, the little color? There's a little green. I don't want to drop this here, but can you kind of see that a little bit? Okay. Well, you'll be able to see it a lot better when I cut this, and I'm just going to cut it in half, okay? Okay. Want y'all to, okay. Here we go. I'm just going to cut it straight down the middle. Whoop! Oh, Lordy, it fell over. Okay, let me hold this up. Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh, yeah. Okay. I hope you can. I got a little bit too close to the camera, but you can see the colors. Okay, let me hold up this other slice here. Can you see that? Now you can put as much or as less of the jimmies in there that you want, but I like using at least 1/3 cup of it because I don't want it to be overpowering in the cupcake or overwhelming. You know what I'm saying? Because I've got jimmies on top as well. Okay, alrighty. Okay, so I know you want to see me take a bite of this. I know you do. And I'm not going to disappoint neither one of you guys. Either or neither. Okay, here goes. Oh, Lord, I better break this in half because this icing going to get all on my lips and on my... Okay, here goes. Oh, boy. This is a goodie, y'all. A cutie goodie. That's what it is. And of course, my icing is a 5 and a 10. Oh, yeah. This is really, really good. And you know what? It's not the batter itself. It's not overly sweet. My buttercream complements the batter itself because I don't like my buttercream to be too sweet. I want it to be sweet, but not tooth-aching sweet. You know what I'm saying? Some people like that, and if that's what you like, you go for it. But I like an even balance. Yes, I do. Now, you know what? I'm going to stick this whole yummy, this whole little cutie. It's a cutie. It's a yummy in my mouth, okay? Here goes. Y'all, I know this is going to be a hit. A big hit. Not only with the youngins, as they say down south, but with the old heads as well. They're going to love this here. Oh, yeah, they will. Thank you so much for watching, for sharing, and for liking. And, yeah, volunteer to make some cupcakes for the open house or maybe for some birthdays or something. And don't forget to get those jimmies if you happen to do the FunFetti, okay? All right. I'm loving it, and I hope you do too. Come on back and see me, because I will be back. And I want to see you at my table. Okay? Loving some goodies, y'all. Amen.